Fire!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Big up on yourself now. You don't know any people. You don't know anything set. So look here now. Keznamdi, you see me? Win the Grammy and thing. You see it, you don't know. Yeah. Good artist see me, you know. Reggae and thing. Yeah, you don't know anything set. You don't know. Congratulations. Because at the end of the day, you see me, I still for the culture, still for Jamaica see me. You see it? Yeah, man. You don't know anything set. So look here now. We see Nico Fire run out. I chat a bag of things. You understand? I really want to know hear what I say.
First, I want to say big respect and congratulations to Keznamdi for him Grammy win. And next thing I want to say, I'm telling you say Vybz Kartel will win the Grammy. But when I talk, I don't believe nothing I say. I'm going to bring factual things to the table if you listen to the video. But the Gaza people, enough people, all don't feel like Nico Fire hate Vybz Kartel. For some strange reason, I don't know why I don't think that way there. But however, the Blood and Fire album, which me did tell you say Vybz Kartel album are the wickedest production album. But me also tell you something. Masicka also a part of the Keznamdi album there. Because Masicka and Keznamdi have the lead track, Grateful, Pan Keznamdi winning Grammy album. So Masicka can say Masicka is a part of a Grammy winning album, even though Masicka no win the Grammy. Because even though they are part of it, and theme song they on the album are the lead track, Masicka no win the Grammy, but him can brag, say him on a Grammy winning album. So, big up Keznamdi, you understand, and big up Masicka same way. Yeah, lead youth. And remember, you was a Masicka, they are part of Lila album too. Big up to all the nominees them, but when you hear me talk about the Grammys,
yo, I tell you about them money and people. You understand? Cause them are going like say, see him come I go show you something people. You see it? Cause look here, you don't know. I think about like, let me see, 13 track or so. You see it, and see there, more artists depend it, all more value depend it, you know. You understand? More value depend it. But I guess the Forever Grateful are the leading track. You understand? Yeah, so what I not understand, seeing? Me see this, the man them post up this Grammy, Keznamdi. Me not know, man them, it come like say a Masicka win the Grammy. Me I tell the people, it come like say a Masicka win the Grammy to me. You see it because look here now, you don't know the Masicka thing and the cartel thing, so look here now. You go see them a push up Masicka. It come like an Keznamdi, because I be a Masicka thing, me see. Me see the man them post a Keznamdi win, right? You see when you looking at the comment? I be a crux. Me I tell you, I be a crux. This is the same thing them do with Shenseea song, you know. Yeah, man. It come like so, a feature alone Masicka can really get the acknowledgement, because we don't know. Them do it with Shenseea song, hit and run. I say him this, him that. No album drop. Cause look at people. The album I dropped about last year, no? About last year the album I dropped in the people. Yeah. Last year it dropped. And we don't hear a soul talk about it. Them not even prep up Masicka. Then talk about some other song, you know. But through Keznamdi win a Grammy now. Everybody a push up. Yeah, Masicka part of the project. Bro, you see all una brother, I realize when it comes to Masicka, you know, una only prep him up when something go on good. Me see Masicka EP drop from last year December. Me no so no go on so. People. Masicka drop a EP last year December. Me no hear everybody mouth shut. Nobody no talk about it. Nobody no prep it up. But through this man you know, put in him work, you know. You understand? Promote him thing. You know, get him help by him team. You know. People them review him work. And she say, yo, it's a great compilation, great project. And put him up to win the Grammy. Right? Now, me say everybody on this Masicka business. But me kinda see it. The reason why them a prep up this Masicka thing, you know, cause look here, Movado dep on the project too, you know. But me not hear nobody to push up in Movado. You understand? But look here now, They now push up Movado because Movado and Cartel not to win and nothing like no back and forth. But true Cartel no win now. The Crooks them out. Cause the Crooks them never want Cartel win, you know. Yeah, man. Them never want him win. You understand? Cause look, you know, a 2 project Masicka depend, you know. And that's why I'm always say Masicka no really build. You see, it amount of collab him having a dancehall to rated. I'd carry my billing career, the collab thing. Cause him depend Lila IK album thing, you know. Yeah, man. Him depend Lila. So anyone out of them did win, them would have prep him up same way. You understand? But the artist, the reggae artist, put in him work, put in every little thing. You understand? But me kind of realize, say, them a push up the Masicka thing. I don't know how, cause at the youth project, you understand? Cause I know so they never call Masicka on the Grammy stage. You see me? But this is the thing where me realize only when I'm a part of something where go good or, you know, have a success behind it, then prep him up. But him drop him own a EP, a female whatever EP, nobody not talk. They not run with it. You know why? Because it flop. Everybody know that. Nobody not talk about. Them not even want to hear about it. But look how them are going to run. Because them are going to do the same like how them run with Shenseea thing, you know. Yeah, man. You see like how they run with Shenseea hit and run? And when Romy and Virgo drop it album, you know, them not talk about it. Them still run with Shenseea, cause why? Shenseea it bomb nearly 100 million views in a short space of time. Big song, things go on feet. Cause you don't know it label at work. And that them run with. You understand? They must say, yo, I'm Masicka make Shenseea get this and that and where. So wait, the whole perform where hit and run there now. Why not perform it? How much time you perform it and run? Make sure say in perform this and the reggae artist win the Grammy, you know. Cause enough people don't know about this. You understand? This a collab thing, yeah. I just do the little back and forth with Masicka and Cartel make you see them a prep up Masicka with the album thing. Cause me see so many artists they pan feature on album and they never push them up so yet. Yeah, man, them never push them up so yet. Cause if you go up on the media right now, them a put Masicka with it. You understand? Which, yeah, him they a part of it with a little thing, but majority of the project are Keznamdi. You understand? Yeah, but I true Cartel lose, so them are gonna proof him up here now, cause you don't know. Them want the Gaza fans them irritate, you know. You understand? But imagine him drop him own EP and nobody no pay it no mind. You understand? That's why I tell you say him not really a pull no weight. Because if him own project, not go on with nothing, right? And when him go collab with the next artist, something go on for him. It tell you. That's why I tell them say when him talk about system a fight Masicka, nobody now fight Masicka. Masicka everybody good. You understand? Imagine you're on a project where 2 projects will get nominated for Grammy. Nobody now fight you, brother. You understand? Nobody now fight you at all. You're good. You see what I try to say? Cause Gaza, you say Gaza system a fight you. Gaza system, if Gaza system not really fight you, brother, may I tell you wouldn't dare from the get go. You understand? May I tell you that certain things would have cut from then. You see it, but you see them a push him up here now. But you go see them run with it, you know. Yeah, man, Grammy thing and all of them look or something. You now go see it. May I tell you now already, this them a go run with. I hope he can find something for himself. Cause remember, man, them bench album last year, you know. Yeah, man, them bench album last year, man. May I tell you. Cause I remember one time, you know, people, may I show you how them stay. Masicka and TJ drop on collab one year, Zine. I think 2024, right? Yeah, them drop a collab. But look here now, them drop the audio, but true nobody not talk about the audio. The man them say, yo, no pre-audio no mind. Wait till Friday, till a video drop. I'ma shake my head. I realize that them man not talk about them, you know, them not try to motivate them failure. You see it? And try correct it. Or the mistake what them do. I realize them only talk about the song them where them say so-called hit. But the song them, when you say nothing, them not talk about it. So by talking about the only song where them call hit, that's why them always say, yo, Masicka drop hits. But when you go out there in the world, the same people them stand up and look on him. People are ask say, yo, I don't know none of the song them where the man just sing. A really thing I go on out there in the people. I just through them to highlight these things, you know. You understand? Just through to highlight these things. Me see the system song I play in the UK. And a one man, me see a money pull up, a crowd just stand up and I look on the DJ. So, brother, what that? Where you play? We don't know that the song there. You understand? Because them feel like, say, when war a go on, them feel like, say, everybody in the world and everybody radar it a pick up on. Remember, say, a algorithm run things. And if that not nobody algorithm, brother, it not gonna work. You see me? Yeah, man. But, people, me I tell you, to me, right now, for that year, I call the crooks them Christopher Columbus. Yeah, man. I saw me, them man capture people project and run with it. And don't promote for them. May I tell you, them do it with Shenseea. And at the same timeline to, you know, people. Like, remember the year when Dirty Money rhythm, when Russian drop it, Dirty Money rhythm, zine? And you don't know, it rhythm and mash up it in January. Be a bag of artists ask say authorize and one bag of thing. You see when February drop, remember, you know, people, to their first, you know. Seeing? Every time, you know, you're nothing for him in January. But you always have one project where him and one next artist do in a February, they might run with that. Remember me tell you. Him a go run with that. I remember, you know. Him man say, you know, mix and mingle. Yeah, man. But in the heavy project. Yeah, man, a heavy collaboration. You see me? So, we know say a Christopher Columbus a dancer that man. Masicka man. They capture them man, they capture man whoever does run with it. I tell you, can vlog them out. Man, them a put up, yo, Masicka and Grammy. Yeah, that thing say a Masicka win a Grammy to Ratty. If you no go in the media and see what I go on. You that thing say a Masicka win the Grammy. You see it? That me I tell you people say anything and a joke thing. You see it? But we are going to see what the crooks them have for this year. Because look at now. Remember, you know, them bench album last year drop EP flap. Seeing that them not talk about it. I remember, you know, last year when that last year when Masicka did a feature, yeah. Because one video out there, you know, so they don't pull you up. They not talk about it, you know. I just show it win the Grammy now. Just show the leading song they on the Grammy and it win it now. Them start prep it up. And that's why. You understand? Same with Lila IK. We know you then run with it. Yeah, man. But true, it get a little highlight, you know. They might run me at they might run with it. And you say if the next song when them drop, no hit, they might continue run with it. Till something pop up and say, alright, this can work with them. Just leg off it. I saw them work. And then now, December forward now, album a pre for drop. Yeah, cause they want to drop it last year and say, yeah man, I'm take it here. I saw them do it. You understand? Yeah, bag of hits. Remember say last year man them said they drop 10 hits, you know. Yeah, about 10, 20 hits man them said they drop last year and EP hit. Yeah man, I saw the Crooks fan and them delusional, you know. I tell you that. Them delusional man. But time and time, them only just expose themselves. That's all I can say. You see it? They might only just expose themselves. But as I say, big up the reggae artist, Keznamdi see him, you know. Grammy, you don't know. Him put in the work, him do what him for do with him thing, you know. Him win. You see what I try to say? Yeah. Still a good look for the genre I see him. Reggae, you don't know, Jamaica. Yeah. You know, a thing set. But a bag of thing I go on, people. Bag of thing I go on. But you don't know me that fast go to work. You see it? Yeah, the crooks them say they win Grammy. Yeah, man. Cause come like say, I feed them album. You see it? But I know them wish. I them win it still. But, you know what thing said, people? Yeah, man. I want media facts, man. That is it.